This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss string functions, string built-in functions in GW basic programming language. So let's start. String functions are used to process character strings and produce the numeric values or string values. You know very well that the definition of string is that it's a group of characters. You must know the definition of it. I'm just writing it down. That the point to be noted is string is defined as a group of characters in computer terminology, in computer programming, terminology. So let's start the first function, which is called the LEN function. We will discuss about it today, that what is a LEN function and what is the purpose of it. So the purpose is to return the number of characters in string $, where $$ is the name of the string. It's a variable, string variable. The $$ is any string expression non-printing characters and blanks are counted in the number of characters. So we'll just write the format of it, and the format is len is the name of the function, built-in function, and in the parenthesis $, the argument will be passed like this. So we just discussed that $$ is a expression, is any string expression we just discussed above. Alright, and then we write down the example, and then we will execute the same in the IDE. The example is line 10. $, is the name of the string, and the value we will give it to it is here. The United States of America. Line 20, print LEN $, like this, and then when we run this program, it will generate the output like 8. How? Because if you count the number of characters total enclosed in the parentheses is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So there are total 29 characters in the expression, the United States of America. So let's first run this program, and we'll see that how this program generates the out. So let's switch to the IDE. So viewers, here we will write down the program on line 10. We will type $, like this, and then type the United States of America, which is an expression enclosed in double quotes, because whenever we type string variable, the characters which is assigned to it should be enclosed in the double quotes, otherwise it will generate an error. On line 20 we'll type print $8. Now this $8 contains the whole expression in the United States of America, but here we want the length of it, so we will use the len function and we'll type the argument $8 enclosed in the parentheses, so it will be passed. It is called this passing of argument. The argument is $8 which contains now the United States of America, so this len function will return this len function is called over here on line 20, and it will return the total number of characters in the whole string, the group of characters, the United States of America. So we'll run this program. Let's see. The answer is 28, because if we count the total number of characters like T11, we will start from here T, because these double quotes are not counted in this expression, so we will start from T. So here we will count the first character first, second, third, and then space is also counted, fourth, fifth, then 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 2nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th. So there are total 28 characters. So this function has returned in the above example, the United States of America as 28. So if we write one more, like if we use $, we can different names, so don't worry about it. You can use any name of the string variable, and then we can type journey to America like this, and when we write this print len $, like this, and we press the F2 key to run this program, then we can see the number of characters at 18, and if we start, so keep it in your mind that these double quotes are not counted in the expression, but so whatever is enclosed in this double quotes should be considered as expression. So we will start from the character J, because in computer science they are not called the letters, but in normal routine of English alphabets, they are called alphabets, but in alphabetic letters, but in computer science the terminology is entirely changed. They are called characters instead of alphabetic letters, so we should call it characters. J is counted as considered as character number 1, so we'll start counting right from the J, and then we will, now I'm gonna start counting. So J has the first position, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, space will be also counted, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So the right answer is, after executing the program by pressing the F2 key, is 18. So it's very helpful. We can count the number of characters in any expression, then store that to the any variable, and then we can use the len function by passing that exact specific variable, string variable, into it, so that we can count the number of characters in that. Because keep it in mind, the space are also counted as a number of characters. Like if I type a simple program like this and type $, like over here, and then I just pass cursor spaces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that total 10 spaces, they are also considered as characters, because it generates an ASCII code and then converted into binary machine language. So if we, now there are total 10 characters, but they are not seen because we have just pressed the blank spaces. So I'm gonna type print len $, pass this variable like over here, and then press the F2 key. Now you can see number 9. So 9 characters are there, because there are total 9 characters. If I count right from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there were total 9 characters were there. So spaces are also counted as characters, so we don't need to worry about it. Whatever is written in that double quotes, like if I give some special characters, like if I type $J, name of the variable, and then type like 1, 2, 3, and then type star slash sign exclamation hash sign, and then type 1, 2, and 3, and then the double quotes. So if I count the number of characters right from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are total 11 characters. Now I'm going to use the print len and $, like this, and press the enter key and then press the F2 key. So there are total 11 characters. So we don't need to be worried about whatever is enclosed in the double quotes. It can be any space, any special character, it can be any numeric or any alphabetic character, which is called alphabetic character, string character. So I'm gonna type this in the text area. So I hope that you find this video helpful in learning the concept of the len function in GWC programming language. So the category of this function is a string function. It's not a numeric function, because it operates and give return values of string characters. String is a group of characters I already discussed and told you guys in the starting or beginning of this video. So let's switch to the text area. So viewers, you can see the whole execution of this program and how this len function is helpful in returning the exact number of characters in any expression like this. We have just executed the program in the IDE. So I hope that you find this video helpful, and in our next videos we will discuss more string functions for your better understanding and knowledge, how we can use in programming all these string built-in functions. That's all. Thanks for watching.